Now we're recording again.
Should we walk round to the park?
Yeah.
Can you see the bird?
I want an ice cream too. We're not going home.
No.
Well, we've got loads of ice cream at home.
Try and make a nice video, Asha. You are the boss now.
Can I be the boss?
Yeah, pass.
You're not picking your nose.
Pass her phone then.
No, after. Not yet.
Okay.
Squirrel on the floor there near the bench.
Mummy.
Right there.
Hold it straight.
Friendly one. He's close.
Oh, look at that squirrel. Hello. Do we have anything?
Do we have any more?
Asha's making video.
He's so cute. I just want to feel his tail.
Oh, I'm so hot, mate. Phone straight. We're making video. Nobody want to watch the floor. Nobody want to watch the floor, Asha.
Hi.
Oh, let her make a video for a minute. Turn it off.
No, just pass it over. It's recording now, Amelia.
Yeah.
When it's red circle with it, it's not recording.
Okay. Look, guys. Go down the slide with it. Alright. Guys. Oh my god, it's so hot that I bend. Mommy, it's so hot that I bend. Hi, but it's so hot that it bent here. No, it was already bent. Guys. Kai. He's so cute. Asha.
You want to go around again?
No. I'm going on here.
Put it straight. Nobody want to watch the floor, Amelia.
Sorry. Wait. Getting back.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby. I love you.
Ah,
Put it thingy so don't do that.
you can have it. I want it.
You want
You
it?
can film YouTube playing.
I'm not good.
Yeah, you are. You are great.
Hello.
Yes, you are.
Mommy, look. Mommy.
Oh, going. Going.